Hello and welcome back to my English classes. Now today we are going to see class 8, chapter 15, Sparrow Book, Stuck by an Iceberg. Now what is stuck? Stuck का मतलब अटक जाना. ठीक है. आइसबर्ग जैसे समुद्र में आइसबर्ग्स ग्लेशियर्स होते हैं, बड़े बड़े पत्थर जैसे आइस होती है. इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड कि बड़ी बड़ी शिप्स जो होती हैं, बड़े बड़े चीज़ें होती हैं, वो भी जाके उसमें टकरा जाती है. यू मस्ट हैव सीन द मूवी टाइटैनिक. टाइटैनिक कैसे हुई थी? इट वॉज स्टक बाय एन आइसबर्ग ओनली. ठीक है. फर्स्ट आई विल रीड द पैराग्राफ एंड देन आई विल कीप ऑन एक्सप्लेनिंग द चैप्टर. Have you heard about the ship or watched the film based on Titanic, as I have told you all earlier? The largest ship that had ever been built. What debate occurred in this gigantic ship and what happened to those thousands who were traveling in it? Let's read the chapter to know all about it. Means this chapter is related to Titanic, so it will be easy for you to understand if you have seen the movie. Okay? So now I will read the paragraph and then. The SS Titanic set sail on her maiden voyage. Maiden voyage means first trip from Southampton to New York on April 10th, 1912. Okay? The ship started on April 10, 1912. She was the largest ship that had ever been built and was thought to be unsinkable. Means it was believed that the ship is not going to sink because it is made up with strong things, and the ship is so strong that it will not sink. On the night of April 14 and 15, बीच की रात होती है, the Titanic struck an iceberg 500 miles southeast of Newfoundland. ठीक है. किस टाइम लड़ी थी? बिटवीन द नाइट ऑफ 14th and 15th April of 1912, and it was an iceberg 15 miles away from southeast of Newfoundland. This is the name of the place. The collision tore a 300-foot gash in the ship hull. Means जब वो टकराई थी तो उसमें 300 फुट का गैप हो गया था. एंड द शिप सैंक इन अबाउट 2 hours. अब 300 फीट मान के चलो कितना बड़ा होगा? बहुत बड़ा. ठीक है. तो उससे अगर तेजी से पानी आएगा तो द शिप सैंक विद इन 2 hours. मतलब वहां पे लोगों को दे डिडंट गेट टाइम टू सेव देमसेल्व्स. द लाइफ बोट्स हेल्ड लेस देन half of approximately 2,200 person on board. Means ships में या ट्रेन्स में जिस पे भी आप जाते हैं तो वहाँ सेफ्टी गार्ड्स रखे होते हैं. प्लीज इन केस इफ समथिंग हैपन्स देन. तो अब ये तो सिंक होने का वो था ही नहीं, फिर भी दे हैव केप्ट 2,200 person ऑन बोर्ड. शिप्स रखी हुई थी, सेफ्टी वो कोट रखे हुए थे, वो सब रखा था. इवन देन इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर देम टू सेव देयर लाइव्स. मोस्ट ऑफ देम वर डाइड. 750 सर्वाइवर्स वर पिक्ड अप बाय द लाइनर कार्पेथिया. ठीक है. अराउंड 150 इन लोगों सर्वाइवर्स को बचा लिया गया. आर्चीब्रांड ग्रेज वॉज अमंग द लास्ट टू लीव द स्टिकन शिप. ठीक है. मतलब पूरी रीडिंग करी गई है. एंड यू नो दैट द रॉस वॉज अलाइव, सो दे हैव टेकन मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स फ्रॉम हर ऑल्सो. आई वॉज नाउ वर्किंग विद अ क्रू. क्रू मीन्स ग्रुप ऑफ द पैनल एट द डेविट्स ऑन द स्टारबोर्ड साइड फॉरवर्ड. डेविट मीन्स अ क्रेन लाइक डिवाइस. ठीक है. क्योंकि वहाँ पे सब सेफ्टी मटेरियल्स रखे हुए थे. So that person was working who has written this story. Starboard side forward adjusting them ready for lowering the eagle-hurt boat from the roof of the officers. ठीक है, means that he was there to lower up the things, adjust करना crane को. ठीक है, has to person who has written this story was that जब आपने देखा होगा मूवी में वो जल्दी जल्दी डोरी काट रहे थे, सब कर रहे थे, साइड में जो छोटे वर्कर्स होते हैं उनमें से एक ये थे. ठीक है, सो द हाउस टू बोट डक बिलो. वन ऑफ द क्रू ऑन द रूफ sang out, has any passenger have a knife to cut the rope, because the ropes were broad ones, मोटी मोटी वाली ropes थी, so it was not easy to pull. जितनी देर में पुल करते उतनी देर में लोग पता नहीं क्या हो जाता. I took mine out of my pocket and tossed it to him, saying, "Here is a small pen knife." That means the writer had a small knife of his own, so he gave that to the person to cut the rope. If that will do any good, means if that knife is going to cut the rope. It appeared to me then that there was more trouble than there ought to have been in removing the canvas cover and cutting the boat loose, and that some means should have been available for doing this without delay. Means there was not much time कि बैठ के सोचे, immediately they have to do the things. ठीक है, वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि कौन अमीर है कौन गरीब है. Nothing was there. First they have saved the ladies and children, so they have to cut the rope, क्योंकि सब बंधी हुई थी अच्छे से, तो सबको हटाना था. Meantime 4 or 5 long oars were placed ascent. Ascent means in a slanting direction, लेटी हुई direction में, मतलब ऐसे टेढ़ा सा, against the wall of officers' house to break the fall of the boat. ठीक है, that means on the one side these slats were there, and because of that boat जो थी वो एक तरफ heavy होती जाती थी, तो उन्होंने उसको भी जल्दी जल्दी हटाया. Which was pushed from the roof and slipped in with the crash down on the boat deck. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, जल्दी से खोला था, फटाफट बड़ करके नीचे गिरी थी चीज़ें. दिस इज दैट कि क्या कहते हैं, ऑल द मतलब जल्दी से ओपन हो जाए ताकि लोग उसमें जा सकें. स्मैशिंग सेवरल ऑफ द ओर्स. स्मैशिंग मीन्स चकनाचूर कर देना, जिसमें जो सामान था ओर्स थे वो सब बेकार हो गया. Clinch Smith and I secured out of the way and stood leaning against with our backs against the rail. ठीक है, spring means moving hastily, moving without any delay. तुरंत they have moved towards that cling and the writer. ठीक है, and उन्होंने ये नहीं सोचा कि हमें चोट लग जाएगी, उन्होंने अपनी बैक को किया और उनकी बैक के ऊपर वो सारा गिरा. ठीक है, watching this procedure and feeling anxious lest the boat be injured so as to cause her to leak in the water. क्यों अपने कंधों पे गिराया? So that the boats cannot be damaged. क्योंकि अगर ज़रा सा भी बोट पे छेद हो जाता, जो सेविंग बोट्स थी, तो क्या था, कोई मतलब नहीं था, पानी उसमें भी भर जाता अगर लोग जाते तो. So they were saving those boats, though they were not thinking about this कि उनको चोट लग रही है. Okay, they were trying to save the boats. About this time, I recall that an officer on the roof of the house called down to the crew at this quarter. Means the person who was standing on the roof, जो वो सामान खोल रहा था और नीचे गिरा रहा था, उसने क्या किया? Are there any seamen down there among you? उन्होंने पूछा कि वहाँ पे क्या कोई seamen है? sir, was the response. क्योंकि उतने शोर में एकदम शोर मचा हुआ था, सब इधर उधर भाग रहे थे, उसमें सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था उन लोगों को कि वो क्या कह रहे हैं. And quite a number left the boat deck to assist in what I suppose to have been the cutting loose of the other angle-hurt boat up there on the roof. ठीक है, so without any delay again they started cutting off the other boat की rope to bring that boat again. Again I heard an inquiry for another knife. क्योंकि एक तरफ दूसरा काट रहा है तो और भी नाइफ चाहिए थी, जो पूरे उस रो में उस बोट्स की रोप्स को काट के बोट्स को नीचे उतार सकें. So they were asking for another knife. I don't know who gave it to him. Meanwhile, boat B was thrown down to the boat deck. There were columns. Portion 1, portion 2, portion 3. Like this you can say. In the same way, there were boat 1, boat 2, boat A, boat B, boat C. So boat B was thrown down the deck and was the one on which he and I eventually climbed. उस पे वही एक बोट थी जिसपे हम लोग चढ़ के ऊपर गए थे. The crew had thrown the Engelbert boat to the deck, but I did not understand why they were so long about launching it. Launching means to set afloat, to set that boat free. मतलब इतना हड़बड़ी में काम हो रहा था कि कुछ किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. Unless they were waiting to cut the other one loose and launch them both at the same time. मतलब एक के बाद एक तुरंत गिरती जाती थी. तो वो कहाँ दौड़ते बचाने के लिए. ठीक है. 2 young men of the crew, nice looking, dressed in white, one tall and another was smaller, were coolly debating as to whether the compartments would hold the ship float. अब वहाँ पे दो लोग क्या थे क्रू के कि they were having an argument, you can say a conversation कि कौन से कंपार्टमेंट पे कौन सा वो होना चाहिए. Put your mask, camera. They were standing with their backs to the rail, looking on at the rest of the crew, and I recall asking one of them why he did not assist. Means here the writer said this, that I called them, I asked them why you are not doing the work, why you are standing and watching the people, watching the crew what they are doing. You should also go and work. At this time there were another passenger around, but Clint Smith was the only one associated with me here to the last. Means here the writer and the Clint was only 2 people who were running here and there to catch the boats, to save the boats so that it cannot get a hole in it. It was about this time, 15 minutes after the launching of the last lifeboat on the port side. Means launching means यहाँ पे उद्घाटन करना नहीं है, यहाँ पे to bring down the boat, the new boat, that I heard a noise that spread consternation. Consternation means concern among us all. Means there was a shout, there was a noise which was related to everyone. कोई announcement होगा, let's see afterwards. This was no less than the water shrinking the bridge. क्या sound आया? जो watch कर रहे थे, that the bridge is coming near and the boat is going to sink and gurgling up the hatchway forward. Hatchway means an opening as the deck of the sea. ठीक है? That means the boat was moving, Titanic was moving forward. धीरे धीरे वो सिंक जरूर करी थी बट वो चलती भी जाई थी. तो आगे क्या था? There was a hatchway, ठीक है, जिससे भी वो टकरा सकते थे. It seemed momentarily as if it would reach the boat deck. ठीक है? That means it was appeared as if कि वो boat deck को touch कर जाएगी. It appeared as if it would take the crew a long time to turn the Engelbert boat right upside and lift it over the rail, and there were so many ready to board her that she would have been swept. Means they were thinking that the crew members will be able to turn the ship. ठीक है, मूवी में देखा होगा ना कि उस शिप को उस चीज से बचाने के लिए they have tried a lot to turn the ship so that it could not hurt the iceberg, but it had happened. Clint Smith made the preparation that we should leave and go towards the strain, and still on the starboard side. So he started and I followed immediately after him. Okay, means everyone was so disturbed, but even then they kept their presence of mind and they quickly ran. Who? Clint and the writer towards the strain to see what they can do. We had taken but a few steps in the direction indicated when there arose before us from the decks below, a mass of humanity several lines deep, covering the boat deck, facing us and completely blocking our passage toward the stream. मीन्स जो वो आइसबर्ग का जो टुकड़े थे वो इतने बड़े बड़े गिरे थे कि वो पूरे रास्ते को ब्लॉक कर दिया था. तो इट वॉज हार्ड फॉर देम टू इमीडिएटली रीच दैट प्लेस. There were women in the crowd as well as men, and they seemed to be steerage passengers who had just come up from the decks below. Instantly, when they saw us and the water on the deck chasing us up from behind, means as there was blah 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 everywhere, everyone was shouting to save themselves. So the women were there, the men were there, and even the small children were also there who wanted to save themselves, and they were so feared of water. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे पीछे से पानी उनको धक्का दे रहा है, पुश कर रहा है. They turned in the opposite direction toward the stern. When they saw that the water was pushing, it was appearing that the water was pushing, तो उन्होंने opposite direction में अपना फेस कर लिया ताकि उनको डर ना लगे. This brought them at that point plumb against the iron fence and railing which divided the first and the second cabin passengers. Okay, they came to that point where the departments were divided on the ship. ठीक है, तो कौन सा चेब में? First and the second cabin. ठीक है, and they came to that point. Even among these people there was no hierarchical cry. Hierarchical cry means out of control. मतलब they were so scared that कोई किसी की आवाज़ सुन ही नहीं सकता था. Everybody was shouting like anything. ठीक है, और evidence of panic. Panic means घबरा के जो चिल्लाना, चीखा चिल्ली मचती है, that is their panic. But oh, the agony of it! Clint Smith and I instantly saw that we could make no progress ahead, and with the water flow following us behind over the deck, we were in the desperate place. Means these two people were so helpless that they were not able to help themselves also, and the people who were panicking on that ship, everyone was, they were so helpless that they were not able to save them. I can never forget the exact point on the ship where he and I were located. At the opening of the angle made by the walls of the officer's house, and only a short distance from the Titanic forward expansion joint, Kick Smith was immediately on my left, nearer the apex of the ankle, and our backs were turned toward the ship's rail and the sea. Means here he is describing, the writer is describing about the positions, at what positions they are standing and what they are facing. Means they were so हेल्पलेस हो गए थे, इतने परेशान अपने आप में हो गए थे कि वो चाह के भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते थे. They were completely helpless. Looking up toward the roof of the officer's house, I saw a man to right of me and above. मीन्स क्योंकि वो ऐसे टेढ़ी होती जा रही थी ना, बिकॉज ऑफ वाटर फ्लो, तो जैसे ही उससे ऊपर देखा तो ऑन द रूफ ऑफ द हाउस देयर वॉज अ मैन टू द राइट ऑफ मी, मीन्स ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ हिम, एंड अबव मीन्स राइट साइड अबव दिस पोजिशन. ठीक है, lying on his stomach on the roof and his legs dangling over. उसमें एक सीन था ना, जो एक पोल को पकड़ के पहले खड़े थे तो सब खड़ते, उसको वही चीज़ दिखाई दिया. ठीक है, कुछ समय के बाद क्या था कि एक प्रीस्ट था, वो अपनी बिब्लिकल टीचिंग्स दे रहा था और वो सब उसका हाथ पकड़े हुए थे. कहाँ तक पकड़ते, कहाँ तक उसका हाथ भी सबको बचा पाता. जैसे वो स्लिप करता तो सब एक साथ नीचे ड्रैग होके पानी में गिर जाते. The efforts of both of us failed. What the efforts? To save these people. ठीक है, I was loaded down with heavy long skirted overcoat and Norfolk coat beneath with clumsy life preserver all over. Means इन लोग को लोग पकड़े हुए थे, सब पकड़े हुए थे, लेकिन कोई कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा था. Which made my jump fall short because of the weight of the people on him. क्यों? क्योंकि सब उसी को पकड़े खड़े थे, तो भाई वो कब तक किसी का वेट संभाल पाता, ठीक है। तो जब ज़्यादा वेट हो गया तो वो और उसके साथ साथ सब ऑल ऑफ देम फॉल डाउन। एज आई केम डाउन द वाटर स्टक माई राइट साइड पे वाटर लड़ा। आई क्रॉच्ड मीन्स टू लोअर डाउन into the promontory to jumping with it and rose as if on the crest of the wave on the seashore. Means he knew swimming, so उसने अपने आप को ऊपर की तरफ पुश किया। This expedient brought the attainment of the objects and I had a view. ठीक है, expedient means useful. This useful thing, what to make the effort of coming out of the water, he was helpful. I was able to reach the roof and the iron railing that is along with the edge of it, and pulled myself over on the top of the officer's house on my stomach near the base of the second funnel. Means here he has tried to save funnel की help से उसने अपने आप को ऊपर खींचा और वो ऑफिसर्स रूफ के पास पहुंच गया। The feat which I instantly accomplished was the simple one, familiar to all bathers in the surf at the seashore. I had no time to advise Smith to adopt it. ठीक है, मतलब वहाँ पे किसी के पास भी एक सेकंड का भी टाइम नहीं था कि कोई किसी को खड़े होकर कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर पाता। तो यह द पोएट हैज सेव्ड हिमसेल्फ, ही केम अप ऑन द ऑफिसर्स हाउस but he was unable to explain Smith. To my utter dismay, to my grief, a hasty glance to my left and right showed he had not followed my example and that the wave. ठीक है, जैसे हम लोग एक दूसरे को देख के सीखते हैं, करने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ पे इतना पैनिक था कि किसी का कोई भी दिमाग नहीं चल रहा था, तो कोई इस पे ध्यान नहीं दिया कि वो किस तरीके से ऊपर आया, तो उसका देखा देखी और भी लोग ऊपर आ जाएं। If I may call it such, which had mounted me to the roof, had completely covered him, as well as all people on both the sides of me, including the man I had first seen on the roof. ठीक है, सबको वो देख रहा था, बट सब परेशान थे। I was thus parted forever from my friend Smith. It's too long. With whom I had agreed to remain in the last struggle. इसको अपलोड होने में बहुत